This is the biggest event of the year, the Daijing Festival 2019-20. Only 2 days left for the biggest event of the year of PTC. It will be 12 days extravagant event where you will get Bollywood night, traditional cultural nights, food, authentic food, joy rides, jet skiing, fire camping, riverboard riding and everything. Right now I'm standing at the main entrance of the Daijing Festival. After entering the main gate, you see this sculpture. This particular sculpture depicts the culture of Bodo people and their traditions. It depicts all the colors and entity of the Bodo people. In my backside we have two stages. One is of main stage, that is Bollywood stage, and second is the traditional cultures. Well, all day long there will be cultural events and many other competitions will be held. Mr. and Mrs. Daijing, Little Miss and Master Daijing, Voice of Daijing, and Dance Daijing Dance. All the events will be held in the cultural event of traditional stage. This is the beautifully made bamboo bridge, which is not fully prepared yet. People will use this bamboo bridge to cross over and look the beautiful scenery of Beijing by crossing to the where they will go there to see the beautiful sculptures made by one of the local artists, Amrit Bosumutari. With me, I have Ashok Kumar Brahmo, the General Secretary of Daijing Festival. I would like to ask you, as there has been continued protest about CAA, how bad gonna it affect the Daijing Festival?
Yeah, it's the question of CAA, but the festival is going to be started from 27th of December 2019 till the 7th of January 2020. So, as far as our area is concerned, that is the Chirang district, which falls under the 6th scheduled district under the administration of Bodoland Territorial Council, BTC, under the state of Assam. So, the CAA, that is exactly not applicable in our 6th scheduled district or 6th scheduled area. That's why we hope, and I also hope, that the CAA protest, that's not gonna affect much in our area. On this behalf, on behalf of committee, I request one and all to come here in Daijing Festival and have enjoy.
Only 2 days are left for the event. So, how much the preparation has been till now? How many all the event parts are finished, or it's just going to be finished?
Yeah, in hand we are having 2 days, and on the preparation ground, we have many teams, starting from our volunteers, laborers, engineers, and site planners, and our committee members. They are working hard, and they promised, and we promised that before 26th we will make everything in hand clear.
And even as Chandan Brahmo sir also promised, this year it's going to be 3 times bigger. So, how big is the Daijing Festival this year?
Yeah, last year, as compared to this year is much more beautiful, and by area also, the festival in this session is much more bigger, and for that we have new events for this year, that is the Daijing Riders Meet, DRM, in which various states people will join with us from various corner as a Royal Enfield riders, and two international countries, Bhutan and Nepal, they are also joining in this DRM event. Again, another we have kept the night camping So in night camping, the tourists from various corner, from various areas, they can come and they can stay and enjoy in this year's Daijing festival.
Last question. When it comes to Daijing Festival, the biggest event and the biggest attractions are the Bollywood night and the cultural night. So how big is gonna go this year?
Yeah, exactly. Last year also we had Bollywood performances, and this year also we are having Bollywood performances. So in from the Bollywood, Mika Singh, Niti Mohan, Sugandha Mishra, Vishal and Sekhar, and many more. They are coming to participate in our Daijing festival, and I do hope that you all will come to enjoy in our Daijing festival. Thank you.